Hello everyone, this is Jim from the Auto Finance. Welcome back to our channel. This is the last video of this year. 2021 is ending with this video. We are closing the week and the year as well. Alright, the classic of our last video of the week is dollar index, US oil, and gold. These three commodity, and then these index is just our main driver, main indicator for the market. Dollar index, gold, and US oil is just telling us what can happen in the next days of the market. All right. So yesterday, another record has been recorded. Has been reported in COVID cases. 1.8 million new cases in the world, mainly this new Omicron variant. All right, we will see. We will see how it will just affect the new year events. People will gather more, and then on Christmas they just gather, like people just gather, and especially in Europe, and the new case has skyrocketed, and then the New Year parties, maybe they will lead another spread, and we may see some other information about this one. And some people are pessimistic about these skyrocketing numbers, and some people are optimistic because they are just telling that, all right, like eventually everybody will just get these virus. So like if you just get these virus all together, then everybody will have that immunity, and then we will recover soon. This is an idea. We will see which one will happen. I agree with the second part, and eventually everybody will just get these virus. Around me right now, there are a lot of people just get positive, and this is just showing us this Omicron variant is just spreading so fast, and then these people will just have antibodies after this virus, and also many of them are mild conditioned, and then it's not scary like on the TVs like the Delta variant. They have some pains, they are just coughing, but at the same time not hospitalized, and many of them are, by the way, are vaccinated. So this is important for me as well. All right, we will just check dollar index first. As you can see here, dollar index is not moving that fast, and then it has dropped from 69 levels, and right now trading at 96 level, and then trading right now at 95 level. It's just moving like this, and for the coming days we will be in January, and then another tapering will be in effect, because the timeline of tapering, the next month we will have less quantitative easing, and then we will get closer to March, which is the end of tapering. So we will see a higher level of dollar index probably in January, because we have seen a lot of accumulation on here, and then we will have the reaps of these accumulation in January. I'm just thinking like this. All right, let's look at US oil. What's happening there?
You are ready to win with us. GAN Markets.
All right, oil prices. As you can see here, oil prices cannot go forward than $76, and it is just trying to keep its gains. This is risky for oil traders, because like when the market believes that, all right, it's done and then it's not going further, then a steep, a sharp decline is expected. Reason is if I don't sell on here, people will just get bored and then will sell, and then I will be the last one. Nobody wants to be the last selling person. That's why people are just starting to give the signals of that one. As long as, and also like on January, another 400,000 barrel will be in production. This is the important thing. Recovery in many industrial countries have already done, and or like 80% is done. I don't expect like the demand side more than this one, because we are already like close to 2019 levels. So, and the population of the world is not changing that fast, and electric cars are just happening. And then with the climate change activists, and with the investments, a lot of green technology is happening. So if you just think that demand and supply is growing and demand size is already has grown. So from this point, if we don't see any other trial, if we don't see any problem with production, so we will just see a decline, and then we will just take the advantage of in trading and sell position. We will take advantage of selling. All right, as you can see here, it's 66 on 20th of December, and we are in 10 days. We have reached $11 increase in one lot. 11,000 makes, and as you can see, and a decline at least $5 or something like that is being expected to make this correction, when the market just cannot go higher, even on slight higher, just to drop something like this. Right now, as you can see here, it's not going up, and it is just for the last 4 days, it is just trending at this 76 level, sometimes just trying 77, but mainly in 76, and then it is just making everybody expect this decline. On the first trading day of January, on Sunday opening, we may see decline on this one. All right, let's look at gold prices. All right, gold prices are just trying high levels. There's two factor on the last rise on this one. Let me just tell you. Right now, the markets are closed, and then everybody's just cautious about these new variants. That's why the risks are growing, and people are hedging them with themselves with gold. And also the money, there's only like a trading market is a gold market, and then on forex market, and Germany and other markets are closed. So money just flows into this one, and also the cases New Year celebrations will probably lead to another record level of these COVID numbers, and then people are just hedging themselves with gold. Overall, in 2021, gold prices has declined. The gold price has declined 4%. So it was a loss year for gold investor if they haven't traded, if they just hold the gold. So it has been like that. We will see how it will happen in 2022. But as you can see here, this level is critical, because from this level it has been sold many times. On opening, we can see a sell-off, another sell-off from this point. We may see another rejection from this point. But if the cases are just go higher and the debt numbers follow them, then we may see another trial up to, let me just show you, up to 1832 is possible. As I said, the new cases started to rise, and we have seen the gold prices, the risks are just getting higher, and dollar index lower. Dollar index, if dollar index pressurize this one, then we will see a decline in gold prices. Thank you so much for watching us. We will be together on more news on the first days of 2022, and we will just do our best to support you on investing for your investments. and have a happy new year. Bye.